Okay.
So, I mean, I guess you don't have to take notes. So the featured list, widget class list of features, that heading style, H1 you have to use. You don't. It'll be on the center, so I wouldn't use an icon. It'll float to middle. H2 to H6 it'll float to the left, so you use an icon. Bunch of icons. I use right here, heading icon male. I'm assuming it's called a heading, and we're doing a heading. We should use it. Order. This is number 2 because it comes after the slideshow. His widget item, the child of the parent of the widget class, will add list items. So we're doing three columns. So let's add 3 widget items. So the first one would be widget iTech. Heading style, these are they're little widgets, so what should we do? Probably do a smaller heading style for this one. Let's try like a H5 on here. Because this is a small, yeah, so we did H3 header.
Let's do features.
H4, let's do H4 over here and we'll do an H5 header right here. Content. I believe this will show right underneath the features. Take half of it away. Still too much. I don't think you need much content in the lists, actually. They use like a very, very small amount of content. I mean, you can use as much, but they look better with a smaller amount. Image. This is a, what kind of, oh, we should actually touch on this. List type. So there's different list types. There's the icon small, the icon big, and the team widget. And they all behave differently. Okay, so the icon small will be one type of list, the icon big, and the team. Team will be just an image, essentially. Oh, well, no, it's an image, and below the image is the description and stuff, a bunch of content. This one, if we do icon big, we'll do this one first. I don't even know if it uses the content.
I'm sorry, I can't like picture.
You'll
like what it's gonna look like.
It will be. It'll be all apparent. Oh, so here, let's only use a thumbnail for this. An actual thumbnail icon for this list. And the icons that are good for here are, I think these icon 1s are a good size. So let's talk about iPads. That's pretty relevant, huh? I don't know if this is used, but we'll do it. Title, because we'll see how each one works. Thumb, heading style, a little bit more ellipse sum. Thumb. Alrighty. I'm fairly sure categories are not being used. So we're doing the icon ones. So we have iPads, iPhones, and desktops. Cool. And these might be escaped. I don't know. Let's try span. So it was right about that. Class equals color. Span. Yeah. This is, that does too. Ah, damn it.
What?
What happened there?
Up, it was up. The field is required.
God damn it. That sucks. Alright, we'll just add one now.
Why does that suck?
Because it deleted that because I was a fucking idiot.
Oh. Well, wait. That doesn't really matter, does it?
Well, these are gone. I didn't even save these yet. List of features. Oh, they're there. Yay! How'd they save? They tricked me.
They tricked me.
So now a list of features should be appearing. Oh no, it won't. Not yet. It will be here on Pages. Home. Let's select the widget. Yeah.
You selected both.
I know we want two widgets to show up, right?
I guess so.
So there's widget 1.
I guess so.
There's widget 2.
Oh. Nice.
Dope, huh?
Dude, that looks just like. Yeah, like, I don't know, a million websites. I've seen
Yeah.
like this
Yeah, it's
middle
good
part
stuff.
and then that down there. Okay, well, that's WordPress, right?
No.
Basically, or is it,
It's kind of, yeah.
or Bootstrap, or no, it's Bootstrap, right?
Twitter? Yeah,
Is that
this is
Twitter's
very
Bootstrap, right?
WordPressy. This is a very mainstream theme, but I think it's really nice.
No, I like it. It is nice. It's very nice. But no, the only places I've seen it are with more like tech savvy.
Oh, nice.
You know, like
That's good stuff. Yeah.
well, like Theme Forest and like everything that caters to all this.
Yeah.
You know,
It's,
they're the only ones that are using
well, they're
it,
kind of trendsetters, you know. I really think so.
Yeah.
So first, let's
Yeah,
make
like Twitter, because this is, I mean, it looks like Twitter's Bootstrap. That's kind of, I think, what I meant, right?
Yeah, it
Or-
is. It
or
is.
is
It
it
does.
more
Have,
like-
it's based on Twitter's Bootstrap.
Yeah. Okay.
So here, oh, look at this too. So you see list of features, heading style H4. Icon is right there. The mail icon. Columns 3. Icon big. Here's the widget. Widget item 1, and this content was used. There's the icon, and this part was not used at all. So these are not used in the icon big setting. So let's do what's icon small. Switch this up and see what happens. So, see what happened here? Different type of list. Now it's not that big icon anymore, but it still put your image up here. There's your image you chose, and there's the content and the title.
And what did you switch there?
You changed the
Heading style. No. Icon
list
small.
type. List
Okay,
type.
Yeah.
So
And then
here,
let's see what
team
team
does.
Huh. That doesn't look right.
Well, it's not escape. I guess the team one isn't completed. Oh, team, we're not using icons. That's why we're using images. So the team will actually take the image. I see what's going on here. I remember. So this is actually really kind of cool. So let's first change the main image. We're gonna turn our team. They're just gonna be a bunch of like cities for some reason. One. Nepal's.
Oh, sorry, but the poster's gonna not be like right there next to me.
Here we go. Save and continue editing. Save it. Woo!
That looks pretty nice.
Isn't that nice?
That
there's-
looks
so this-
sexy.
It doesn't escape, which is fine. And let me fix these titles.
So team is for your own picks, basically.
We want them all to be at H5. That's better. H5 right there.
What is this shit? Where did this come from?
See, the
Is it
fields
like
are
a
used kind of
second heading?
differently.
Oh, thumb content. Huh. So this is supposed to be like a little, just like a little title, right? And then this
Here,
is
like if you would imagine these people as your teammates, you would fill this out like this. So this page would be first. You have the team player. This at the very top is their picture right here, the featured image.
Oh, nice.
Widget title is this title.
Dude,
That'd
that's
be
so
like
sick.
his name.
Cool.
So you put like here. Let's change this to Zach
Nice.
Lorenz.
Awesome.
Then thumb title. This one would be your thumb title is actually going to be your position. We'll say founder.
Just say producer. I don't like this. Well, yeah, it doesn't fucking matter.
Yeah,
Just
this
whatever.
is a dev. What am I thinking here? Span. I think this is auto escape. Grab a little RHS iStudio.
You're that fucking iStudio.
It's a good name, dude.
Oh man, I know. I told that to Jack. He was like, "God damn
What's wrong with that?
it." I know. Just it would be funnier if you knew Jack, because like he's just all like, "Man, fuck Apple." Like he's just so like anti-establishment. Like
Right.
he's just like, man.
It's not escaped. So let me fix that real quick because it just looks good. I should make it escape now. It's just a joke.
What?
Jack. Isn't you don't have to call it that if you don't want to. It's
Oh
not
no,
me.
I know. No, and he knows. It's like,
Oh.
I mean, he knows you. Just, that's like him going like he's just kind of like has.
Isn't that sick? Oh, I have a Zach picture.
What?
Isn't that cool? Zach Lorenz, founder of iStudio.
Yeah.
Ooh, we can actually use we'll use my pictures. I don't know if that uploading's working right now. Sick, dude. So those are 3 types of list. They're all different. There's a different types of list too. There's more.
I'm stoked. I just want to get my fucking website up here right now.
Carousel. But I think list of features, if we do more than 3 or something. No. No, that's a half list. The half list is kind of interesting. But the next one let's change this to a carousel. We haven't done carousel, huh? Let's actually change the home slider to a carousel. So slideshow. We'll change this one to a carousel and see what happens. Hey, there will never be another. Ooh, slideshow. Ready? Slideshow. Slideshows are cool because you can do this. Like you can put a bunch of pictures and have them popping up right there. We can put that that's something I would suggest put it at the bottom of the screen. One of these.
Mhm.
Or maybe I should just have one auto rolling with new articles coming out. You know what I mean?
Slideshow changed.
I changed it, yeah.
Wait, what did you change?
It's not a slideshow anymore. It's actually a carousel.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I thought the carousel was.
Have you seen portfolios?
Yeah, you just shouldn't.
Oh yeah, I showed you that one too. So turns into a portfolio.
Cool.
That's sick.
Mm-hmm.
Look how nice that is.
Mm-hmm.
Is that not nice as shit? Then
It's fucking nicer than that little fucking tiny ass image I have.
sorry, this one would be good though. I never thought to buy themes like this though.
Yeah.
Portfolio, carousel.
I know, it like drastically increases the
It's just
how
visual
nice it
appeal.
looks. Yeah, exactly. But dude, that's the difference between developers and designers, right?
Yeah.
Well, because they're both very important. That's why they complement each other.
No, one of them. I just bought this for $10.
Well, exactly. But like somebody made that and probably put a lot of work into that, but they're making good money because now everyone's buying it.
Yeah, fuck designers.
It's just, I guess designing can be.
But check this out.
Designing
no,
can
they're good.
be
They're
much
good.
more easily.
No, it is. It is. No, I'm
mainlined.
very, 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 very appreciative for what these people do.
Yeah, exactly.
They're really good at what they do. Look at that. Hey, this is supposed to be responsive, sir. Okay.
There it is.
Yeah. From that. Now. Aw, dude, look at that fucking pig. Look at that. Look at that, dude. I don't even need a mobile app, dude. This is way, like, even better than just regular Bootstrap. Look at that. Holy shit. Looks nice, dude.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Wow. That's like, wait, do it again? I want to see what the menu looks like. Yeah. Click that. Nice, dude. See, that's well done.
Yeah,
It doesn't do that for me. That makes, no offense. I mean, I know you
Yeah.
didn't do shit with that, though. But that was just like the menu sucked.
Did?
What?
Do you like your menu?
The menu that opens up? Well, because it was like the color. Well, at least it was the colors in mine that sucked.
Oh,
Because you couldn't fucking see anything.
Yeah.
It was like the colors.
Oh, I
were
fixed the
same.
color, though.
Yeah.
The colors are fixed.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I haven't seen it since then.
Wow, man, you say I've been on your site. Oh, that was a long time ago. Just joking. So here, slideshows. So let's turn a new one, a widget class. Let's do. What have we not done? The half widths. We done everything else? Yeah. I guess I haven't really explained slideshows or the portfolio because I should. We'll do half width instead. So let's do a half width. Half widths are unique. Here is my half title. Now the first half width, or the half widths are like a regular sized widget, but now they're cut in half, and they have just a lot of random functions. So by filling everything out, we have no idea what we're gonna get. But that's fine. I mean, I feel like you could design a fine website if you just did this randomly. It'll design itself essentially. Make this an H1 definitely. Half width. The first half width should definitely have an H1 right here. No icon with the H1. Half widths use these 1 and 2 columns. There's I think 4 types of half widths. The 1 and 2 column half widths. Let me think what they do. One column is for text and an image. That's why. So one column, I believe that's what it was. What is number 3? Yeah. Order 1. So really, with a half width, we only need one piece or a single widget. Where is that? A single column. That's only one widget item that we need. So item. I think if we do just text, save and add another. Half width 2. Style. I'm gonna make this one H5 and give it a small icon. I know 32 and 18 are the sizes, so I can probably give it a clock or something. A 32 clock would be pretty small. Instead of a 1, let's do 2 column is can't remember. 2 column. I honestly don't know. The order, though, of this half width needs to be the same as the last half width, so that'll tell it kind of to go on the same title, the same row. But let's give this guy some more items. Item 1. With text. No, you know what? Content I don't think has to be in these ones to act weird. So this will be a list of items actually. If I just use titles, I remember. I think so. it'll do a list if it's just text. Add another. And there's more than, I think the variable I'm looking for is more than 3 subcategories. Because if it's 3 subcategories, it'll do another one of those big icon things. You know the 3 circle, the big icon squares? I think we can get one of those inside a half width though. H2, we'll do these H5. Well, actually, I don't think those are, yeah, these will be used probably. And I would just use thumbnails on here. There's a thumbnail line. Oh no, actually you can use sliders or icon ones for this. I know that's definitely true. Icon ones and sliders will work pretty much the same. Yo. Is that open?
No, that was nothing.
So, there you go. Now I pray that these are working. Yes, it worked. So let's add it to the homepage. Save. And let's see what happened. I hope this works. Yeah, look how cool that looks. Ha, that's awesome. Is that not dope? Is that not dope? Oh my, that's awesome.
Okay, so what would that be like?
This
used
disappears
for?
too on the sides. So
what would that be used for?
our stuff is whatever, you know, you do this type of videography. Weddings, put an icon, wedding icon,
Okay.
you know. You get creative, man.
Well, that's what I was going
Knock
to use, like
yourself
the
out.
carousel for. That's what I was going to use the slideshow for. That looks really nice for that. Like weddings and you know.
You can use it for a bunch.
Weddings, concerts. I'm like.
You can, yeah. Well, it's a bunch of
It's just
options.
like different ways to do it. Okay.
Yeah, there's a whole
Yeah,
bunch
yeah.
of, like, it's a half tile too, so we split it in two items too. So we have.
I could see this being like.
Watch.
Ooh, I got a good idea of using that. Can you make those icons smaller and add more like this plus this plus this plus this?
Here. I haven't done this yet. Second.
Well,
Half. No content. Widget class, half width. Heading style. Ooh, I never thought about this. Columns. So half title, half item gets a label.
Yeah, can I go by your wires?
Hmm?
Can I go by your wires?
Yeah, they're in the kitchen, I think.